It is time for another swap portfolio update. Let's go ahead and give you updated where we are this week. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. These numbers is definitely going to change. This is where we left off September 27, 2021. But let me tell you something. It's October 6th and I'm looking just at SHIB alone. It's up 70%. So this is definitely going to change on the portfolio revealing update. So let's go ahead and do it. So this is where we were last time. All right, Shiba all the way down to Baby Doge. We finished with $59,000 in total revenue and an increase of $15,000, which is not bad from the week before. But let me show you where we are this week. This is where we are now, and you can see the difference of a couple of things. Two, we added Jetstar and Kleekai to our portfolio, but you're seeing the increases that we've had from last time. Now, SHIB, we'll start with that one. We're up 16,000 since the last week. So it was 24,000 this week, and it was 7,000 last week. So that is a tremendous difference. So that's why I'm saying the power of hodling, doing your research, and staying focused on your common goals. Now, SHIB, we did not increase that much in tokens, but we increased in value because the price went up. And if I go look at here, the price is continue to sizzle. So let's go ahead and go back to this update. Now, Bone, we're up on Bone, $1.27 from 82 cents. Oh my goodness, that's a difference. And we're up $2,892 from the previous week. $8,000 is in the total of Bone. I do believe Bone will continue going up as long as Shiba as well, with good news coming out from both of them. Now, Leash is something that I've been waiting for Leash to make a move in the price. And Leash, we own 5 leashes. $15,883 is the current price of the recording of this video. Absolutely. And the total value is $7,919 and an increase of $4,000. If you look at Leash last time, Leash was $761. It doubled in value within a week. Oh my goodness. And the week before that, it was $838. So we've been tracking this for a while now. Just want to show you the power of tracking too. And you can go back and reflect. Like, my goodness, Leash was 700? Man, crazy. So let's go to Saitama. Now, Saitama is taking a step back a little bit. It's just retracting right now. I do believe with Saitama this week, later on this week, you're going to have some really good news coming out of there. Now, the price has retracted some, and it's down $11,927. I am not concerned with that whatsoever, because the week before that, we had a run up of 20,000, and the week before that, we had a run up of 7,000, and the week before that, you know, we still had a run up of 2,000. So each week we've had an increase, or each time we've done this update, we have an increase. We haven't had a negative increase in a while. Every week we've had a positive increase in Saitama. So this is the only week that I can, in a while, that we actually had a step back. But $21,000 is still pretty good, because if I go back up, you see that 21,000. The first time we did it was back in August. It was 1,743. Oh my goodness. So in the first time we did this, we called it SHIB and Friends portfolio, and it was $1,743. And if I go down here, look how much this has grown. We've added a little bit since then, not much. Because if you look at it, 2 trillion Saitama, you see that right here? It was 1 trillion Saitama. That's only one more trillion. So that 17 could have been 3,400. It's worth 21,000 right now. It got up to 33,000 the previous week. So I'm still happy with that. And we're getting those tokenomics, guys. It's always good to track your tokenomics. And I'll be doing a video on tracking Saitama later on this week. So check this out. Let's go to Kishu. Kishu was a big winner today. Kishu has been struggling for a while now. If you look at the week before, it was minus 1,000, the only 2,000 value. Before that, it was in the green, but before that, we were still struggling. minus $746. So, but when I go look at here, it's up 3,000 this week from last week. Total value of $54.97, and you see the increase in price. But look at these tokenomics, 8 billion in just a week, and we've got 5 trillion Kishu. Love the tokenomics. Oh yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. But anyway, I'm excited for you as well because I know you're tracking at home as well. So Ryoshi Vision didn't change a lot in terms of the tokenomics, not much, because we're staking our SHIB. We're staking our Ryoshi in SHIB. Excuse me, no, I said that wrong. I'm staking my SHIB to get the Ryoshi Vision tokens. There we go. And Shiba Swap. So definitely use Shiba Swap. The price has definitely went up from last week. Definitely, oh my goodness, it definitely went up. But anyway, it's even lost to 0 cents. So the value is about $2,300, up $984. So most things are up except for Satomics, which is very interesting. Okay, SafeMoon even moved out a little bit of a bump. Price went up a little bit. Tokenomics is, you know what? I forgot to add my tokenomics in there. Hold on 1 minute. I'm gonna add in my tokens for the week. I forgot to do SafeMoon because I do track SafeMoon as well. So I'm gonna add my SafeMoon tokens in here. 411524. So we got to add that in there. So the tokenomics is 751,000. That's about right. We usually get about 700,000 a week in our SafeMoon. So that's pretty good. And the price has went up some, and also the values went up as well. Everwise, which I think is one of the sleepers out of all of these here, is had a good day. Had a good week, I should say. Price is up, and tokenomics is 4 billion, which is amazing. Hold up, that may be just an increase. I think that is tokenomics, actually. Yeah. Is that tokenomics or are we adding? I know I added some before, but my goodness. Okay, you know what? We added a little bit in there. So those tokenomics, not all to be just tokenomics. I think we did add some in there. And so $1,279, the increase, the price went up, and the value of 5,000. That's really, really good. So congratulations, Everwise. Fake token is up $112. The value once again is going up. I like the tokenomics of that as well. Baby Doge, price went up, the value is up, the increase is up, the tokenomics is up, and the price is up. Everything is up. And ClickHigh is actually it's actually down at the moment, but we just got it not that long ago, so we didn't get it at this time here. So Jetstar, we've had Jetstar for a little while. I just now inserted it in here. I love Jetstar as well, and that is about $300. So we'll be tracking Jetstar and ClickHigh. So welcome to the swap portfolio. We currently have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Still, we have 12 in here. And so these are all 12 of these I like. And all 12 of these we got through a swap, either Uniswap, Shiba Swap, or Pancake Swap. All 3 of these came through a swap. That's why I call it a swap portfolio, because they came through a swap. So we have a total of $77,000. That's the difference between 59,000. You see that 59,000. Then we have 43,000. And then we have 34,000. Then we have 33,000. Then we have 32,000. Then we have 24,000. So we started with 24,000. Only 5 guys. We've been increasing based off research and recommendations, and then more research. And then we just kept adding things over time. We started with 5, now we got 12, and we're tracking this like no ever before. So thank you for watching the swap portfolio update this week. I'll be back next week to give you the goods, exactly where we are in terms of the swap portfolio. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hey, follow me on Twitter. It's at Adam E. Shelton. Go ahead and follow me on there. I would love to continue having conversations. And don't forget, guys, listen, track your stuff. It definitely helps out with your research and helps you feel good about what you have. My name is Adam Shelton, Captain's In. Follow you on the spreadsheet, and I'll see you on the next video.